Welcome to Fun Maths. Today we'll be solving a probability problem and we'll try to find an easy solution to it. A box contains 6 white socks, 4 black socks, and 2 socks are drawn at random without replacement. Please take note, this condition is very important. What is the probability that both socks are black? Okay, so let's start defining some of the terms we'll be using. We say let n be, you can define it the way you like, but based on what I'm solving, this is what I want to use. B for black, n for number. So let n be represent the number of black socks. Black socks. I'm going to leave white out. I don't need number of white socks because the question just was of black. So we also say let T represent the total number of socks. This I'm going to be abbreviating total number of socks. Okay, so it means that NB, the number of black socks from the question, a box contains 6 white and 4 black socks. So NB will be equal to 4. While the total is equals to 4 plus 6, which is 10. Right, 4 black, 6 white, 10. So the question says 2 socks are taken away at random without replacement. Means you pick one sock out, one of the socks, you pick it out, and you don't bring it back. You also go there to pick another one from the same box. That's what it means when it says without replacement. What is the probability that both of them are black? So I'm still going to be defining variable. Let probability first black, PFB, represents the probability that the first one you picked is black, that the first is black. And then we can also say let probability second black SB represents the probability that the second one, the second sock, is black. I'm just forming these steps now, please. Okay, so PFB, which is the probability of that the first one you picked is black. You remember, probability is the number of observation over the total number over everything you are looking at. It's total, T. So the probability that the first one is black will be NB, since we don't have, there's no replacement or replacement, just the first one you picked. 4, which is NB over T, 4 over 10. And if you divide this by 2, this will be 2. Divided by 2, this is 5. 2 over 5. Probability that the second is black. Now, this is where it gets funny. When you're picking the second one, the first one is still outside the box. So it means that you didn't bring it back in. So the total number of socks has reduced by 1. And also the total number of black socks has reduced by 1. Since it's the same black sock you are probably going to pick. So this is NB, number of black socks in the box, reducing it by 1, that's minus 1, divided by the total number, reducing that by 1. This is what it means when it says without replacement. NB is 4, so that's 4 minus 1. T is 10, 10 minus 1. This will be 3 over 9, which can also be divided as 1 over 3. Is that the final answer? Not yet. What is the probability that both socks are black? Both. First, second. So the probability, let's say, we also define, let PBB represent the probability that both socks are black. Now, probability that both socks are black will be equal to the probability that the first sock is black and multiplying the probability that the second sock is black. And we've already made it easy for ourselves by working on this, which is 2/5 PFB. And we also worked on PSB 1/3. 2 times 1 is 2, 5 times 3 is 15. This is the probability that the both of them are black. Till meet again, this is Fun Online Maths. You want to like this video, share, leave your comment in the comment section if you have any question or observation, and do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's goodbye from me.